right, so today on Cooking with Ram, we're gonna make a lentil soup, and we've got about half a pound of lentils here, some white chopped up mushrooms, some red purple onion, a clove of garlic, and some serrano. We've got 3 Idaho potatoes here, chopped up, and we got some rinsed out spinach. All right, we're also gonna use some Knorr for a little bit of flavoring. All right, so right now we've got our water boiling here, and we've had that going for about maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So we want to make sure that it's completely boiling like this. All right, let's get to it. Got it? It's okay. All right, so we're gonna start by throwing in our lentils. Those are gonna go right in there. And again, this was half a pound or 8 ounces of lentils. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and throw our heaviest starch, which is the potato, next. And these cook fairly quickly, so you gotta kind of throw everything in there pretty much one right after the other. All right. So we got our potato, we got our lentils. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw our garlic clove in there. We're gonna throw our onion in there. And thank you, Frida, for your handy video work. Always a pleasure to have you on the Cooking with Ram show. We're gonna throw our serrano peppers in there, and our mushrooms. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let that stir. Now we're gonna throw our spinach in here that we've rinsed, and we cleaned out the stems. So we've cleaned out the stems and we rinsed it, and now it's going in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let that go for a little bit. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of the Knorr, and this will give it a nice flavor. So pretty hearty tablespoon of the Knorr. And we're also going to add some salt in there. All right. We're going to go ahead and add some of this pink Himalayan salt. Okay. And you can really add a lot of different veggies, but I like this combination. All right, so we're back with Cooking with Ram. We got this homemade lentil soup, and here is about 15 minutes in after I poured the ingredients in there. So again, this has this lentils. We've got some Idaho potatoes in there. We've got some white mushroom that we chopped up. We also threw some spinach in there that we cleaned off the stems from, rinsed off. And we got some garlic in here. So it's looking really good. Again, we got this at a low, medium, low heat. And then we also got some serranos in there. So we'll let that go for another maybe 30 minutes and it should be ready. So we got that at a low heat and it's looking really nice. All right, so again, this is Cooking with Ram, homemade lentil soup. It's looking really good. All right, thanks for checking in. Bye-bye. All right, so here it is, our lentil soup, homemade here at Cooking with Ram. And again, this is 8 ounces of lentils. We've got some Idaho potatoes in here. Oh, steaming up the lens here. We got serrano peppers. We got spinach. We got purple red onion, and we got some mushrooms. So yeah, enjoy. All right, and there you have it, homemade lentil soup with mushrooms, potatoes, purple onion, spinach, and serrano peppers. Courtesy of Cooking with Ram.
That's right. One people.
Enjoy.